Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add lipstick in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want to try different lipstick shades without the hassle? The FaceApp makes it simple and very easy. So let's see exactly how to do it, but before we get into it, we're gonna give you a quick guide on how to download the FaceApp application. So you're gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the FaceApp Perfect Face Editor, developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Once you find this application, you're going to make sure to click on install, and once the installation is completed, you're going to click on open the app, and you're going to make sure to give it the permission to access your camera and gallery. Now you're going to choose whether to upload your photo or take a new one. Once you make that choice, you're going to click on the photo. Then from here in the bottom tool section, you're going to go all the way until you find the makeup section here. So you're going to choose this makeup section. Now you're gonna select the lipstick option. Here you're gonna find a lot of size here. You're gonna choose the lipstick options. As you can see here, they require a premium version, so you might have to pay for the premium version, etc. You can choose a color and apply it, and adjust the intensity and save it. Also, you can choose the color that matches your skin tone and try bold and subtle shades. Also, use good lighting for best results. Now the lipstick can transform your look instantly, so try different shades easily with FaceApp. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.